Okay, so let's go to Euclid postulates. Alright, so Euclid postulates, there are total of 5 postulates given by Euclid. So let's discuss these postulates one by one. So in the first postulate, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. So according to the first postulates of Euclid, Euclid states that to draw any straight line can be drawn from any one point to any other point. That is, let's take this one point and this to be the other point. So to draw a straight line, we can start from this point, let's say A. From point A, alright, we draw it to another point, point B. So this AB becomes a straight line. Alright, so this is what the postulates of Euclid, the first postulate of Euclid is saying. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Now under this, alright, under this first postulates, alright, an axiom is given again. That is, given two distinct points, there are unique lines that passes through them. Alright, so if I take A and B to be the 2 points, then between these 2 points A and B, there are unique lines that pass through them. So this will be the unique lines. Is it okay? This will be the unique line that pass through point A, and even this at point B, this will be the unique lines. Is it okay? That will pass through them. Is it okay? No confusion, right? Yes, and these unit lines that are drawn from each of these 2 points, there will never be a straight line, no matter what. Alright, these 2 lines, they may intersect, alright, but there will never be a straight line. Now, coming to postulates 2, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. So when we draw a line from any 2 points, alright, from any one point, let's say from this point to this point, say point A and B, correct? These are the 2 points where we draw a straight lines, right? So these straight lines terminated from point A and point B. So these terminated lines, you can still produce them indefinitely. Is it okay? That is, it is endless. Alright, they can be produced indefinitely. Now coming to postulates 3, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Now talking about a circle, we all know what a circle is, right? So when we talk about these circles can be drawn with any centers and with any radius. So supposing in this figure, alright, my apology, as of now I don't have a compass with me, alright. So I'm taking this as a point and this as a radius. So with any radius, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Alright. Now you can even take this as a center and this as radius, and you can still draw a circle. That means to draw a circle, alright, to draw a circle, you can take any center and any radius. There is no specifications like you have to take this much or that much, until and unless you are given a specific dimensions, a specific radius to draw. Alright, but even if you are given a radius also, the center can be taken from any point. Is it okay? This is what the third postulate of Euclid is all about. Now coming to fourth postulates, all right angles are equal to one another. So talking about a right angle, what is a right angle? A right angle is an angle that measures how much? Angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. We call it a right angle, right? So to understand this concept, let's take a two-dimensional figure. Let's say a square, right? A square has all its sides equal, correct? So in a square, all the angles are 90 degrees each, correct? So what if I take ABCD as a square? Then taking ABCD as a square, in a square all these angles are 90 degrees. The angles of a square are all 90 degrees. That is proven, correct? So all these 90 degrees, they are all how much? They are all 90 degree, correct? So all the right angles, they are equal to one another, literally meaning angle A will be equal to angle B will be equal to angle C equals angle D, where all of them are 90 degree each. So they are all these four angles, they are all equal. Alright, the same is applied even in a rectangle also. Is it okay? I hope this is clear, right? Now coming to postulates 5. If a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of the angle is less than two right angles. Now, to make you understand this, all right, let's take any two straight lines. I'm taking a straight line, let's say AB as a straight line, and I'm taking another line CD. All right, yes, AB and CD are any two straight lines, and I'm taking another straight lines PQ. PQ is another straight lines. All right, yes, so AB and CD are any two straight line, and PQ is another straight line that falls on the line AB and the line CD. So the interior angles that is formed by the straight line PQ falling on the straight line AB and CD are, let's say, angle 1 and angle 2. Is it okay? So these two interior angles, all right, taken together is less than two right angles. All right, so less than two right angle means 2 into right angle is 90, which is 180 degree. So the sum of angle 1 and angle 2, this is less than 180 degree. Is it okay? The sum of angle 1 and angle 2 taken together means the sum. All right, so the sum of these two angles, all right, taken together is less than 180, less than two right angles. Then these two straight lines AB and CD on the side of the two angles taken together whose sum is less than 180, if you produce these two lines indefinitely, all right, what will happen is that these two lines, they will meet, literally meaning these two lines will intersect at a certain point. Is it okay? That is what the statement is all about. So let me repeat it again. If a straight line falling on two straight lines, all right, so the straight line here is AB and CD, and PQ is a straight line that falls on the straight line AB and CD, then makes the interior angle on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles. So the two interior angles taken together on the same side, all right, that is on the right side, all right, taken together is less than two right angles. Less than two right angles here means less than 180 degree. All right, yes, less than two right angles. So these two straight lines, if you produce them indefinitely, they will meet at a certain point, all right, on the side. They will meet on the right side, all right, on the right side at a certain point in which the sum of the angles is less than the two right angles. Is it okay? This is what the fifth postulate is talking about. Because see, since these two lines, they are not parallel, they will intersect definitely, they will meet definitely. Is it okay? So this is all about the axioms, the definitions, and the postulates. All right, kindly watch the video 2 to 3 times if possible, all right, to understand them clearly. Because if you just watch it once, you may not be able to grab all the concept at once. Is it okay? So now I'll end today's video from here, all right, and in the next video I'll be uploading the exercises, that is exercise 5.1 and 5.2 together. Is it okay? Yes, thank you.